Hey, good morning to you from Pals on a rainy day here in Florida. Humidity's up and it's going to rain all day. Look what we have here, a food truck. This food truck came to us yesterday needing front brakes. We are in the process of putting brakes on it so that the customer will be able to get to its locations securely. So if you got a big truck that needs brakes or any other recommended services, bring it to Pals. We'd like to help you out and hope to see you soon. Maybe we can even have some lunch off your truck while you're here. Anyway, come to Pals. Hope to see you soon.